Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest farming innovations and technologies. The seafood industry is in for a change. Thanks to new technological advances, seafood can now be grown in a lab, without the need for fishing or farming. But can consumers get on board with the idea of eating lab-grown seafood? The seafood industry is facing a crisis. As our oceans become more polluted and overfished, it's becoming increasingly difficult to meet the world's growing demand for seafood. According to the United Nations, nearly 90% of the world's marine fish stocks are either fully exploited or overfished. This means that we need to find new ways to feed our growing population, while also preserving our oceans and marine life. That's the idea behind lab-grown seafood. Companies like Blunalu and Wildtype are leading the charge in this emerging industry. Using cell culture technology, they can create fish and other seafood products in a lab, using cells from the real thing. Essentially, lab-grown seafood is made by taking a small sample of fish cells and growing them in a lab under controlled conditions. Over time, these cells multiply and form muscle tissue, which can then be harvested and turned into seafood products like fish fillets or even sushi-grade tuna. We're able to use cells from the fish and grow them in a way that allows us to create real seafood products. We can make anything from sushi-grade tuna to fish fillets, all without harming the environment. Not only does lab-grown seafood help reduce the impact of overfishing and pollution on our oceans, but it also helps reduce the carbon footprint of the seafood industry. Traditional fishing and farming methods require large amounts of resources like water, feed, and energy. But the real test comes down to taste. Can lab-grown seafood really compare to traditional seafood in terms of flavor and texture? According to taste tests, the answer is yes. In fact, many people are unable to tell the difference between lab-grown and traditional seafood. But can consumers really get on board with the idea of eating lab-grown seafood? Some say yes. For them, the environmental benefits are a major selling point. But not everyone is on board. Some consumers are skeptical of lab-grown seafood, seeing it as unnatural or even dangerous. And some in the fishing industry worry that it could put them out of business. From a sustainability standpoint, lab-grown seafood has the potential to be a game changer. By reducing the demand for wild-caught seafood, we can help preserve our marine ecosystems and ensure a steady supply of seafood for generations to come. Of course, lab-grown seafood is still a relatively new industry, and there are many questions that still need to be answered. How will it be regulated? Will it be affordable for the average consumer? And what impact will it have on traditional fishing communities? But one thing is clear, lab-grown seafood has the potential to transform the way we think about food and sustainability. With continued research and development, this innovative industry could help us create a more sustainable and equitable food system for all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. And let us know in the comments, would you try lab-grown seafood?